Hello, my beautiful people, to my newcomers, and hey, what's up, bitches, to the people that have already been in my channel. This week's makeup will be a chocolate berry makeup. Yes, I came up with that one all by myself, and it's because of this chocolatey colors on the Juvia's palette and this berry pink and purple colors on the berry Juvia's palette, okay? So yeah, stay with me to recreate this and have a good time. I hope I make y'all smile or laugh about the things that are happening. I know everybody deals differently, but I rather have some kind of sense of humor about this. It is tough times. Let's get through this and let's get through this together. Okay, as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, show me some love. And I will be posting more videos every week. If you guys have any ideas on content, that being makeup looks, recreation of looks, or topics to talk about, let me know in the comments. I'm open to anything and I'll probably have a story. Stay with me while we do this. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so let's get started with our living room makeup, okay? We're gonna start off with our little purple right here, which is the darkest color in the palette. And as always, I'm just gonna outline first, okay? Now the tricky thing with this makeup is that if I don't do it at the same height, it's very noticeable. So let's hope. So I'm just gonna do the outline for the cut crease, and it's just gonna be a very thin line because we're just gonna grab a pencil brush and go over it, okay? So with the same color, and we're gonna concentrate on the inner corner part, okay? Now with my 239S brush, I'm gonna grab this magenta right here and apply it right on top of the purple, okay? Yeah, how is it going with this self-quarantine or quarantine for the people that have to quarantine in public distancing, people distancing, whatever, you can't touch people? Because let me tell you something. In my house, I'm beginning to understand those reality shows where people nominate each other to get kicked out. Because at this point, my husband has 2 negative points from me and 1 negative point from the baby because I'm mom, right? Now we're gonna grab this pink right here with my 217S brush. I'm serious, like how hard is it to pick up your stocks, people? Now in regular life, that wasn't an issue because obviously I had outlets for this. Starbucks, Sephora, Old Time Mac, okay? Those were my outlets. But now it's like, bruh, I will nominate you, vote for you, and walk you out. Now with the small synthetic brush and your concealer, we're just gonna clean up a little bit. Now I'm gonna grab this hot pink and I'm gonna use a 231 MAC brush, okay? Yeah, like even when we argue, it's kind of funny to me because I'm like, where are you gonna go? The other room? Because you can't go outside. Might I remind you. And I'm gonna create a little outline for my eyeshadow right here, okay? I'm gonna hold my breath because my hands shake like crazy on a regular basis. And so we need straight lines, okay? The hardest part of this is that you gotta compare this eye to that eye and let's hope it looks the same. So yeah, definitely when we're having those days, I'm like, well, keep your ass 6 feet from me and then get better, get happy with the situation and then come back. I mean, seriously, let's find the positive in all this, right? Where are you going? No way. Just kidding. It's a joke, people. I definitely rather joke around the situation because if I take it as seriously right now, I'm just gonna go crazy. But you know, sometimes joking around helps. I'm doing the inside of my little outline right there with my 221S MAC brush, okay? Try just to pack the color in so you get that hot pink. Now we're gonna add a little bit of chocolate to the mix. This is my chocolate berry eye makeup. Ooh, yummy. I'm gonna add this brown right here from the chocolate palette. This is more chocolatey. This is more of a grayish brown to me. So I'm gonna grab a slanted brush like this. This is kind of like a thick slanted brush. We're just gonna follow our pink, just like a quarter in, and then our inner corner the same. With our little synthetic brush, we're gonna go back to our berry palette and grab this shimmery pink right here, which is more like, with the light, it looks kind of like purplish, but it's kind of like a rose pinkish, purplish. Cute color. That's all that matters. And we're just gonna apply it to that middle area, okay? Now I'm the queen of fixing, okay? Because sometimes you just don't get it right the first time, and that's okay. So with my brush, I'm just gonna go over my little line right here. Again, hold your breath. Eventually, y'all gonna catch how much I shake. It's just crazy. Now we're gonna grab our eyeliner. Oh, I like this. You can put it in the back. And there you go. Now, black eyeliner. It's funny though because we really haven't got to the point where I'm like, okay, trying to rip anybody's head off. Well, it's just me and my husband really, and the baby is adorable, so she can do no wrong. She's my child, okay? But I mean, jokes aside and all, It is tough. I can just imagine people that have older kids and stuff picking up after the baby itself. I'm just start doing the bottom with the magenta and all the colors again. If just picking up after us and even just the baby, I'm like, y'all didn't get a maid. The Rona didn't come with a maid. You better pick up your stuff. Even Lila, I'm like, Lila, don't be leaving your shoes. So my child decides she wants to take off her socks everywhere. And if you follow me on like Snapchat or stuff like that, you've seen it actually. Her little socks are always under her bouncy and stuff like that. So I'm like, girl, for those of you that don't know, my baby's 7 months. So this whole being at home, it is getting to me. And I hope they kind of look even, because the thing with makeup like this, that's like a cut crease and then like a whole eyeshadow under it, is that you usually see like either one eye or, angle and not two at the same time. That's where you can see like. But anyways, I got this new false lashes from ColourPop, and they're Bay, and they are Baylicious. Baylicious. To the B, to the E, to the whatever. Anyways, so let's do this. This is Top to the Palm, and it's the coconut bronzer from ColourPop. And this I just got. Now for my blush, I'm gonna use the Coast to Coast ColourPop blush, and this is more of a mauve. If I'm saying it wrong, don't judge me, because I don't want to use something very pink just because of the eyeshadows, okay? That blush I also just got in. It's so cute. Now, I'm gonna use the Glazed Donut highlighter just because, look, just because I'm sitting in a couch doesn't mean I don't need to show off this glaze, okay? I just want my highlighter to yell from my couch, coronavirus, on my best Cardi B impression. That sucked. Thank you. Welcome to my TED Talk. Yeah. Okay. Lipstick. And then that's it. So for my lipsticks, I used 2 lipsticks because I didn't want to have something super bright to outpower my eyes. And I used Uncuffed, Fenty Beauty, and Mars ColourPop. Okay. Just a little bit of both to just give me that little pink, but cute. So now we're going to set our makeup to make sure that while I'm washing dishes, it doesn't go anywhere. I don't care. I look cute, okay? And I am gonna look cute doing all of the things that I have to do. Because I refuse to let this whole thing of me being home all the time put me down. And this does it for me. What does it for you? Just let me know in the comments. Like, comment, share, subscribe as always. On my birthday week, nothing incredibly fun happens, but it was a good time. I was my husband, I was my baby, and my hubby gave me a great present, and my mom and my brother, and they sent me stuff, so it was a good time. Still at home, but a good time. Okay, and if there's any complaint about my eyelashes, let me tell you something about glasses. I don't want the glare. I don't know how to put on eyelashes. I'm learning. Okay. We all are not good at something. I'm not good at eyelashes, but I keep trying because they're not gonna win. Not on my watch. I know. But anyways, yeah. Let me know if you liked. Let me know if it's uneven, because it probably is. But like I said, does anybody even look at both eyes at the same time? Yes, we do. Okay then. Have a good time. And let me know what y'all doing during this quarantine. How's it going with the hubby, the boyfriend, the girlfriend, the partner, the whatever, significant other, the children? Let me know.